Change. What is it you really want to change in your life? What is it about you that you feel needs to change? We can come up with a long list about all the things we need changing, but these are usually based on another person's perception and who you think they feel you are. You need to know what you think about yourself. And if it is nothing but love, then you have to change your mind. You are who you have with you, and you cannot run away from yourself. You have to change your mind about who you see when you look in the mirror. You are a marvelous creation, formed and fashioned as an individual. You are unique. You are a miracle. Don't ever compare yourself with anyone else.